Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Amir again, back to you with another beautiful recipe. Alright, so आजको recipe चाहिँ के हुन्छ, I will show you just in a bit. Let's go. Okay guys, so basically today's recipe is a very simple recipe that is quite common in most of the restaurants, I guess, but this is my try. Okay, I have learned this recipe when I was in my school, in culinary school. Yes, potato. आलु भन्ने त्यस्तो तरिकाको एउटा भेजिटेबल हो, एउटा त्यस्तो भेजिटेबल हो जुनले चाहिँ हर कुनै डिशेसलाई चाहिँ एक्कम्पेनी गर्छ है। जुनसुकै कुरामा तपाईले चाहे चिकनमा हाल्नुहोस्, चाहे मटनमा हाल्नुहोस्, चाहे पोर्कमा हाल्नुहोस्, या तपाईले सिम्पल आलुलाई मात्रै भुटेर खानुहोस्, या फ्रेन्च फ्राइज, या एनी काइन्ड अफ स्नैक लाइक पिकल, अचार, सबै कुरामा चाहिँ आलु चाहिँ कमन एउटा कम्फर्टेबल भेजिटेबल मानिन्छ. So today I'm going to show you one of the simple way of cooking potato, and I'm going to twist with the Italian flavor. Right? Let's go. Okay guys, here you go. Today I'm going to make homemade potato cheese balls. Definitely, you heard me right. So guys, I'm going to show you how to make homemade potato cheese balls. So before begin, let me show you the required ingredients. So I have potatoes, then I have flour, okay, just to make breadcrumbs, okay. Then I will use this fresh mozzarella cheese grated. You can buy in your shop anywhere. So this is very easy to buy, not too expensive. Okay, very simple. I just bought 200 grams of mozzarella grated cheese. So let's start the recipe. So in this recipe, I have taken 3 potatoes. Okay. And this one already I boiled. Okay, potatoes should be boiled completely boiled so that it's easy to make a mash. Okay, then I have made this one homemade breadcrumb. Okay, very simple to make this breadcrumb. You just need to take some bread, okay, and then toast either in the pan or in the oven. Okay, some people have ovens at their home. If you don't have oven, you can just toast in the pan. Otherwise, you can keep in the sun outside for like 2 to 3 days in high scorching sunlight. Okay, so that it will be crispy, and then you can make it powder with your hands or with the grinder. So very simple to make breadcrumb. Then I have taken this 00 flour, all-purpose flour. Okay, just to coat the cheese ball. And then I have taken 2 eggs. Then you just need the spices, seasonings. Okay, so let's get started to peel the potatoes. Okay, so now we will peel the potato. Okay, यो रेसिपी बनाउनलाई चाहिँ एकदमै सजिलो छ. यो रेसिपी बनाउनलाई चाहिँ हामीले धेरै कुरा चाहिदैन. We just need a simple potato. Okay, then you need to have some bread, पाउरुटी. पाउरुटीलाई हल्का टोस्ट गरेर यसलाई पाउडर बनाउनु होला. You can make it powder with the grinder. Okay, roast it and make it powder like I did. You can see in the video. Okay, so I've taken a little bit of flour for coating. Then I will take 2 eggs. दुईटा अन्डा चाहिन्छ हामीलाई. त्यसै गरी I'm going to take this secret ingredient जुन चाहिँ हामीले घरमा mostly use गरेकै हुन्छौं हैन. This is called nutmeg powder. Okay, first of all, peel the potato. So I'm using back side of the spoon, okay, back side of fork, just to आलु peel गर्ने है. आलु peel गरिसकेपछि यसलाई चाहिँ fork ले क्रस गर्ने है. यसरी cross the potato with the fork so that it will be mashed nicely. If you have a potato masher, definitely you use that one. Okay, If you don't have, you can use simply a fork. ओके, यसरी यसलाई चाहिँ म्यास गरिसकेपछि हामीले चाहिँ यसलाई अब सिजनिङ गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. सो आइ एम गोइङ टु युज सल्ट टु टेस्ट, नट टु मच. Half of a teaspoon salt. Okay, half teaspoon salt. Then I'm going to use nutmeg powder, pinch of nutmeg powder. After that, little bit of all spice. This is mixture of all cumin, coriander, star anise, cinnamon, cardamom, all kind of flavor is here. It's homemade. Okay, don't put too much, little bit only, just to give a fragrance. Okay, essence of herbs, so spices. Then after you did this one, you just need to mix it properly. Seasoning with the fresh crushed pepper, give nice heat. Okay, give a nice flavor. So I'm going to use some Parmesan cheese. So here you go. Mix it nicely so that all the spices goes inside nicely, and then the flavor will equally spread in the entire potatoes. Okay, try to make it mash more nicely because some potatoes still not crushed properly. So guys, mixture is ready. So now I need to put the egg here. First I will start with the one egg. If it is enough, then I can mix with an egg. Break the egg, mix properly. So also I'm going to use a little bit of coriander, fine chop. You can also add chili if you like to have spicy. Okay, if you like spicy, you can add chili as well to make a nice and spicy flavor. It's up to you. Okay, so there is no any barring that you don't put this one or that one. It's up to you. This is a freestyle recipe. Whatever you would like to add, you can create your own dishes. Okay, flavors. I added a coriander fresh. Okay, so take potato in a, make it like a nice bowl. Okay, potato balls are ready, as you can see here. Okay, so now I will show you how to put cheese inside, then we will close it. Okay, so potato balls are ready and I have mozzarella cheese. So now I am going to stuff inside. सो स्टार्ट गरौँ है त अब हामीले चाहिँ यसलाई चाहिँ अलरेडी चीज यसमा स्टफ गरिसकेपछि अब हामीले यसमा फ्लावरमा अनि अन्डामा अनि ब्रेड क्रम्बमा क्रम्ब गरेर त्यसपछि डीप फ्राई गर्नुपर्छ त्यो क्रम्ब गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ सबभन्दा पहिला लेट अस get everything all together. So always first remember, always use flour first, coat with the flour first. After that you need to coat with the egg, then you need to coat with the breadcrumb. Okay, very simple as that. Take potato, roll गर्ने अन्डामा हाल्ने अनि अन्डामा पनि यसरी रोल गर्ने ताकि यो अन्डाले पुरै मजाले समाओस् then drop it in the breadcrumb. Okay, so potato cheese ball is ready, guys. I hope you like it how I made it, and if you want to improve or if you want to add something else inside, you can do it. Definitely you can do it. There is no any barring that you cannot put this one or that one. This is very simple. This is up to you, your classic recipe. You create your own and try it. Definitely it will be delicious. So now so I'm making cocktail sauce at home. Mine is ketchup, Tabasco, salt, pepper, little bit of garlic chop, fine chop. Okay, so this goes very well with the potato cheese ball. Okay, you can make it at home. This one very simple, no need to too much things to prepare. This you can make it very quick, 30 seconds. If you have ingredients, definitely you can make it. All right. So guys, आजको रेसिपी तपाईहरुलाई कस्तो लाग्यो? I hope you enjoyed this beautiful recipe of potato cheese ball that I made today. So very simple ingredients and very easy to make and very quick for quick snacks. Okay, so it depends what ingredients you can add extra in this one, and for me is simplicity is the best. So I'm gonna try this potato and cheese ball, and definitely I hope you will also try at your home. Till then, this is Chef Amir signing off from my channel. Take care. Bye bye.